Oh my days, guys, I ain't gassing yet. Salt and pepper tofu, right? Guys, I'm gassed. I've never had this before, and it is the best thing ever. Salt and pepper tofu. Guys, it is the best thing. I absolutely love it. It's spicy. I never saw tofu in my life. Yes guys, what are you saying? It's me, I'm back again with another vlog guys. I'm in a different location today guys. I am in Yeo Pines in Charlton. Oh sorry. Let's put that bit out. I'm in Yeo Pines in Charlton, it's got a day off work. I'm going to try, it's only down the road from me, so I'm going to try Chinese food for the first time. Vegetarian food, I'm a vegetarian. And this place is sick, so I had sort of pepper chicken before, so let's get inside guys.
Let's go in.
I'm waiting on the door. So I'm in Yeo Pines right now and I've got the menu here, the men's, short for menu, and the vegetarian, oh here's the vegetarian, crispy mock duck, guys, so we're gonna get...
What do you fancy?
I don't know why I've done that, can't see. There, loads of vegetarian, hot pepper tofu. What do you recommend? Say it, Edson, that owns this place.
Easton.
I got it wrong, Easton, that's Edson. So Easton, what I'm going to get crispy mock chicken, so vegetarian alternative. What did I get?
Chips.
Chips, alright. And I'm going to get sweet and pepper tofu. So let's
Salt and pepper tofu.
Oh my days guys, salt and pepper tofu. So let's get ordering. Yes guys, with Sophie, what are you saying Sophie? Yeo Pines finest, right. Can I get... What can I say to do that actually? Can I get crispy mock chicken?
Yeah.
Chips?
Yeah.
Egg fried rice?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper tofu?
Yeah. So chips.
What are you saying, Yeo Pines owner? What are you saying?
What am I saying?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Sophie, what are you saying? You got crumbs there? No, there, seriously. Joke. In it, we've got our chili mock chicken, so fake chicken but vegetarian. We've got egg fried rice, we have curry sauce here, we have salt and pepper popcorn tofu. Look at that, hits the spot, and some chips obviously guys, and a bottle of water. Guys, I am ready to tuck into this food. I am hungry at house right now, so let's get cracking, let's get tucking in. Who are you? Oh my days guys, I ain't gassing yet. Salt and pepper tofu, right? Guys, I'm gassed. I've never had this before, and it is the best thing ever. Salt and pepper tofu. Guys, it is the best thing. I absolutely love it. It's spicy. I never saw tofu in my life. I am getting crack-a-lacking. I've got my mock chicken, which is gluten and soya, so no meat, no nothing. Let me try it. Guys, that crisp to it and the nice sauce, oh my days, it bangs. Tofu again, oh my days, this is so nice. Vegetarian Chinese food, oh my days. First time I have a Chinese food ever.
If you want some spring rolls.
Veggie spring rolls, any meal for 120 and it bangs. Here's tofu again. Oh. So guys, look, I'm nearly done. So I've got some salt and pepper chips, some tofu, so these are better than Atlantic down the road. Guys, this hits this, but £11.50, it bangs.
I've literally got food everywhere.
Easy, what are you saying?
I think they're gorgeous.
Gorgeous, here it is, gorgeous. Look at that guys. Bish, bash, bloody bosh. So guys, this is Sophie. What is it? Sophie, what is it called? So this is satay mock chicken, vegetarian food again, made out of soya beans and peanut butter and gluten. So let's get dipping, guys. It's a bit hard, I don't want to get a blister.
Banging.
Hits the spot, guys. But you know what? We're gonna make mock chicken, guys, and my favourite one is the tofu. It hits the spot, guys. It hits the spot. What are you saying?
It's nice. It's
What are you saying? Lost for words. Speechless.
Did you like it? Did you like it? Yeah. What's your favourite?
Noodles.
Noodles. My favourite is fun. So what's your favourite?
My favourite is the chili mock chicken.
Sophie, what's your favourite? Sophie's.
So that's Sophie's favourite. Scott mock chicken
Are you
stew.
vegetarian?
Vegan.
Oh, are you vegan?
Yeah.
So can you eat this? Mock chicken?
Yeah.
It hits the spot. How long have you been vegan for?
Just over 2 years.
Oh my days. Guys,
Cooking.
drink some water first.
Cooking, yeah.
Guys,
Cooking.
drink some water first.
Cooking, yeah.
Guys, I am stuffed as a crust. The food, here it is, Yeo Pan's in. It's a Chinese takeaway and I had 6 Chinese food, right? Vegetarian food, my first ever time. Guys, here it is. It's in 522 Wilbraham Road, Charlton, Cumhardy, Manchester, M21 9AW. And guys, they do delivery within a 3-mile radius, right? So if you live in like
Didsbury, you've had it.
Didsbury or Timbuktu, you can get it wherever you want, guys.
You can't, you're not within the mile radius.
Not really Timbuktu. But I'm looking, I only live around the corner, guys, in Charlton, so I'm alright, guys. But yeah, guys, check it out. I definitely recommend all the Chinese vegetarian food I tried, especially, guys, I'm not gonna lie, right? What's that now?
Mock chicken
Yeah.
satay.
Mock chicken satay.
Ugh.
Look, guys. Mock chicken satay. Hits the spot. They all hit the spot. Delivery and that, guys. So you get them guys with push bikes. Deliver it to you guys. So guys, after all of this, guys, I have a fortune because we got 2 actually. So let's get cracking. I can open it, guys. Oh, it's a strong fortune can feel. I can sense
This
it.
is it. This is for me. This one.
This is Tracy's one. So you break it like that in it.
Yeah. Please read it to me, please.
Oh my days, sorry.
Sorry.
Luck is coming your way. Oh my Gideon. And the second one. That's a good one,
I
that.
know. I need it. Reflection. It's a bit of inspiration.
Guys, I'm having a severe palpitation now, guys. Here's my one.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll. Guys, here's my one. You will find great fortune in unexpected places.
Ooh.
I don't know what that is, guys, but that sounds good. Here's my one. Look at that.
Zoom in.
So I'm going to eat this for good luck now. And here's Tracy's one. I've just got to read mine again, guys. I'm just gassed, actually. You will find greatness in unexpected places.
Ooh.
I'm going to keep this on my chest, guys.
I would keep it. I'd put it into a pillow at night.
Yeah, I am. What are you saying? Oh, this is nice. Do you want half of this?
Yes. Thank you.
Is it not some?
Yeah. Might be a bit hard, but you can try it.
Look, the baby's eating some. You like it? You like it?
I love it.
I love it, see, guys. I love it as well. Go, look up to Amston in the back. He's fucking up. Sophie, excuse me. Can you get me water, please?
Got some crumbs.
Yeah, get some crumbs there. Something like that. Guys, look. Get me water. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. I've got water, man.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? Sorry. Oh, I'm disturbing it. Eating as well. What are you eating? Mock chicken.
Everyone's eating mock chicken in this place.
Everyone's eating mock chicken. That's so fair. So fair. He's annoyed, I think. Sorry. Are you annoyed?
No.
Yeah, she said yeah. Thanks, guys. But yeah, great fortune coming.
Like the video, subscribe in the bottom below.
Yes, you hear that?
Thumbs
Give it a
up.
Thumbs up. Thanks, Ethan.
Ethan.
Ethan. I'm getting her at Ethan. Right, I got it right this time. Thank you.